No, what are you doing? No.
Please, it'll be funny.
It's like the time at the beginning of the year. Exactly. Come on, stick that ball in your mouth already.
Oh my god,
Oh my
wow.
God.
It's ballsy.
You might want to swallow quick.
Oh boy, that's what she said.
Is he spitting it out?
No, he's getting water.
This is awesome.
Oh my god, Josh! Look what he did.
Oh, it's okay. I wasn't gonna eat that anyway.
Oh, he's choking.
Do I want some more milk?
Hey,
Ketchup really helps. Alright.